One of the True Energy favorites is the Intensely Anti-Aging Facial Serum. You've never seen a serum work miraculously like this one can. One of the first things you'll notice within moments of applying my True Energy Intensely Anti-Aging Facial Serum is a tightening of your skin. That's because this therapeutic treatment contains an oat kernel extract called Avena sativa, which is a natural tightening agent. Now, sometimes people mistake tightening for drying, and using soap will certainly tighten your skin. But this tightening after using the anti-aging serum is completely different. What you're feeling is the oat extract immediate firming, smoothing, and visible lifting skin on contact. Your skin transforms right before your eyes. Plus, this advanced facial serum contains a probiotic skin defense complex called OTA beta-glucan. Now, you're probably thought of probiotics as helping your gut maintain a healthy balance of good bacteria, but if your gut doesn't have a high enough level of good bacteria, it can lead to tummy trouble and even feel sick. The same is true for maintaining a healthy pH balance on your face. OTA beta-glucan helps maintain the right pH balance to your skin and can protect itself from environmental pollutants and toxins. And just like your gut, when your facial pH balance is out of whack, your face gets sick, with blotchy skin and acne breakouts, no matter how old you are. The OTA beta-glucan you get in True Energy Intensely Anti-Aging Facial Serum provides exceptional skin protection to slow down aging and give your face a younger, rejuvenated look and feel. I also included a deeply hydrating cocktail of algae extract, chlorella, and seawater. This powerful natural combo quickly replenishes your skin with essential moisture for lasting protection. In fact, one study, 15 women with an average age of 42 applied this moisturizing complex twice daily. After just 5 hours, the researchers were amazed to see skin hydration rapidly increase by an astonishing 55%. The long-term use was even more surprising. After just 7 days of twice daily application, hydration increased a stunning 200%. That means skin was twice as hydrated in just 1 week. Thanks to my True Energy Intensely Anti-Aging Facial Serum, your skin will feel softer, tighter, and more moisturized than it has in years. Your friends will be asking you for your facial secrets. Mine sure did.